Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you all my recipe for a fully loaded penne pasta dish. This one the kids are going to love, the adults would love. So be sure to pick up one packet of Lucima penne pasta to recreate this delicious recipe. And thank you to AMCO for sponsoring today's episode. Let's make this deliciousness so you all can make it for your family. To start this recipe, we're going to boil one packet of Lucima penne pasta. I'm going to salt my water really well and then add in that penne. And we're going to boil this for 6 minutes. Now the package suggests 7, but I went for 6 because I know I'll be cooking it a little bit further. So once 6 minutes is up, we're going to drain and set aside. To my skillet that's nice and warm, I'm adding in some Cajun sausage, some Vienna sausage. Feel free to use whatever type of sausages you like in this, and we're going to allow that to render and allow it to get brown. It smells so heavenly. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Now make sure your heat is on a medium. You don't want to burn the butter. Now goes in diced pimento peppers and saute for 1 minute. It's going to add so much flavor to this dish. Next, some minced garlic. And just for a few seconds, let that saute in there, and it's going to smell so delicious. Now go in the rest of our aromatics. I have bell peppers and onions, and if you wanted to put in some grated carrot in here, you can. Now let this saute for around 5 minutes. We're just sneaking in some veggies. Now goes in 1 tomato chopped, and I'm not going to allow that to cook. I'm going in with my pasta. So in goes that boiled pasta and toss. Now I'm going to go in with some all-purpose seasoning. Some oregano, and trust me, the oregano is absolutely delicious in here. And 3 to 4 eggs, or as much as you like. Break that up and mix to combine so it coats the pasta. Now once the egg is almost cooked, we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients. Now add in a splash of heavy cream or evaporated milk or whole milk, whatever you have on hand, along with your cheese. And then you're going to mix to combine. The milk is going to help that cheese melt. It's going to be ooey gooey and delicious. See how beautiful that looks? All you have to do now is taste and adjust your salt, and this is ready to be served. Finish with some dried parsley and some dried oregano, and this is a great make-ahead meal. Save this for the kids when school opens. So be sure to pick up one packet of Lucima penne pasta to recreate this delicious recipe. And thank you to AMCO for sponsoring today's episode.